Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Lorette is a small and growing community located in the rural municipality of Prairie, just southeast of Winnipeg, Manitoba. Lorette sits along the Scenic corridor of Highway 212 and is part of the wider Red River Valley region, known for its flat farmland, river systems, and strong agricultural roots. Lorette has a population of roughly a few thousand people, depending on how the surrounding rural area is included in estimates. While still small, it has been steadily growing over the past few decades as more people move outside Winnipeg in search of quieter residential living while still staying within commuting distance of the city. The community's history is closely tied to French-Canadian and Métis settlement in southern Manitoba. Like many towns in the region, it developed in the late 1800s as agriculture expanded along the Red River Valley. The fertile soil and accessible land made it a natural place for farming families to settle and establish long-term communities. One of the key influences on Lorette's early development was the broader expansion of rural municipalities in Manitoba during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. These settlements were often built around churches, schools, and small commercial areas, forming the foundation of communities that still exist today. Lorette remains closely connected to agriculture, with surrounding farmland playing a major role in the local economy. Crops such as canola, wheat, and corn are commonly grown in the region, and farming continues to shape both the landscape and the seasonal rhythm of life here. Over time, Lorette has also become more residential in character. New housing developments have expanded the community, attracting families and commuters who work in Winnipeg but prefer a quieter, small-town environment. This growth has gradually shifted Lorette from a purely rural settlement into a mixed residential and agricultural community. A key feature of the area is its access to natural spaces. The nearby Seine River runs through the region, contributing to the landscape and supporting local ecosystems. The river valley provides habitat for wildlife and adds to the scenic quality of the surrounding countryside. Transportation access is a key advantage for Lorette. Its proximity to Winnipeg allows residents to commute easily for work, education, and services. At the same time, it remains far enough from the city to maintain a quieter pace of life, making it part of a growing network of commuter communities around the capital region. Overall, Lorette is a small but steadily growing community shaped by its agricultural history, cultural roots, and proximity to Winnipeg. It reflects the broader pattern of development in southern Manitoba, where rural communities continue to evolve while maintaining their connection to the land. watching!